Hi friends, this video shows how to adjust HDR or High Dynamic Range colors on PS5 console. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Under settings, go down, select screen and video. Then go to video output. Go down and here we can find adjust HDR. Select it. See, in the screen, using up and down buttons, we have to adjust the brightness until the symbol is barely visible. So let me adjust. I am pressing up button, that is a brighter button. See, now symbol is barely visible. Done. Then go to the next page, select next, and here also we have to repeat it using up and down buttons. We have to adjust the brightness until the symbol is barely visible. Done. Then go to the next. Here also do the same thing. Just press the down button, darker button, and adjust the brightness until the symbol is barely visible. Done. Then select OK. Done. So this way we can adjust HDR colors. So please check it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.